Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a project share, and me and Sabrina. Sabrina actually showed me this. Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. I will have her video linked in the description box below so you can go see how she did her ink tray keeper. I did mine different because I have this shelf, and I'm going to show you. Or I shouldn't say it's not a shelf. It's a drawer unit. I got it at a garage sale. And I wanted mine to be able to go on there, and it's about this wide, guys. So I didn't want a lazy Susan. I wanted it flat. So this is what I came up with. I got them all glued together. Same concept as inside the boxes with the clothespins. Okay, and I got my favorite distress oxides on top, and then this one got a little wonky on me. I don't know why. But I got my archival ink all in the rest, and it's just on my shelf. So I painted my boxes, and of course I did a mixed media. I have 4 more of these I gotta finish putting the clothespins in, and I put them up there together, and it goes all the way across. I have all 4 like this, or I could do 4 up also. But that is my shelf. I just wanted to share mine so you can kind of see it. And I used different colored little clothespins I had in there, and for some reason this one got wonky. But hey, it works. And then if I don't have the oxides, eventually I would like to do the next 4 I have just for my oxides. And this would just be my regular ink, my archival ink. So I thought I'd come on and share. I will link Sabrina's video in the description box below so you can go check hers out. I didn't doodle on the back. I doodled on the side just a little bit. And there we go, guys. That's how mine looks. Don't pay attention to that one. I don't know why. It kind of turned in for some reason. But this is mine, so I thought I'd share it. And like I said, I'll have Sabrina's channel linked in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.